remains on notice. It will not be paying to use their court facilities come next year. The news comes as a major blow to many counties who are already struggling to trim their already tight budgets. Oklahoma County stands to lose the most, more than $500,000. News 9's Adriana Vashinsky joins us with a reaction to the news. Adriana?
Well, Amanda, this is the letter that started it all, and the reaction has not been good. Many counties are in shock that the Supreme Court can refuse to pay them for the use of their courthouses and all the services that come with them. And it has the Oklahoma County Sheriff taking action.
My exact words were, I was flabbergasted.
Oklahoma County Sheriff John Wetzel first learned of this letter at last week's budget board meeting. He says he wished the Supreme Court would have tried to work with county government before throwing down this gauntlet.
I guess what I found really kind of offensive was the fact this was a unilateral decision that was made without any input, without any discussion with county budget board, with county government. And it impacts counties in all 77 counties.
Michael Evans disagrees. He's the administrative director of the courts who wrote the letter. He says the Supreme Court is not immune to budget cuts either. And though the decision is a tough one, it is at the justice's discretion to make it.
And as I look toward next year, realizing that we probably will have less money than we even had this year, I want our counties to have an adequate opportunity to get prepared for the possibility that we'll no longer be able to pay these expenses as we have in the past.
So what kind of expenses are we talking about? Well, Oklahoma County alone spends almost $700,000 a year to provide the basic necessities for courts to operate. Things like water, sewer, lights, air, phones, and security. Right now, the Supreme Court pays $600,000 of that, and that's $600,000 the county would be without come 2012. But Sheriff Wetzel plans to fight it and says he'll cut services if he has to.
I hope it never gets there. But obviously it is not our responsibility to fund the state court system. Bottom line.
And it's a battle that could end up at the state capitol. Sheriff Wetzel says he's already contacted lawmakers and that it will be up to legislators to make sure the Supreme Court receives the funding it needs to pay for those court costs. Amanda?
All right, Adriana. Voters approved a $9.5 million bond issue to renovate the Oklahoma County Courthouse 2 years ago. That renovation includes a new fire suppression system as well as new plumbing.